Sirventes in which words do not fail me, I have made, and it never cost me a clove of garlic. And I have learned such an art that if I have a brother, full cousin, or fourth, I'd split the egg and the halfpenny with him. And if he then wants my share, I throw him out of the common holding. All my wit I have inside the enclosure, though they have given me great trouble, between Lord Azamar and Lord Richard. For a long time they have held me in check, but now I stir up such a brawl for them that their children, if the king does not part them, will have plenty of it in their guts. Gillum de Gordon, a mad battle you have brought to your doorbell. Gillum de Gordon, a mad battle you have brought to your doorbell. And I love you, so may God watch over me. But for a wise man and for a lapdog, the Viscounts hold you by the clasp, and it is slow in coming to them that you are not in their brotherhood. All day I contend and brawl, I fence and defend and shield myself, and men are cutting my land and burning it for me, and making cleared waste of my trees and mixing the grain into the straw. And I have neither bold nor coward enemy who now does not assail me. All day I cut back and trim down the barons, and I melt them down and curdle down. De Gordon, a mad battle you have brought to your doorbell. Telerin does not trot or leap, nor does he move from his arenal, nor does he fear lance or dart. Rather he lives in the manner of a Lombard, and he is so full of idleness that when the other folks separate, he stretches out and yawns. Gird near the wall, so that one can throw a hammer at it. I shall wish to ride upon Bayard, and if I find point within flatterers there, they shall see how my blade cuts. For over their heads I shall make a mash of brains mixed with mail. Gillum de Gordon, a mad battle you have brought to your doorbell. Gillum de Gordon, a mad battle you have brought to your doorbell. May God save you and watch over you and help you and be worth to you, and grant that you may say to Lord Richard what the titmouse said to the crow.